Hello guys, in this video I'll show you best predictor aviator predictor you can find on YouTube right now. 600 USD on the balance, so let's place like 51 right here and withdraw it on 1.25. And if you want to try it, just search in Telegram aviator GPT-5 bot. I don't gonna bet on this hand, but multi is so low, there's no point. Because it's something went, how to say it, I don't know. Something went wrong. I'm gonna just lose my money. There is no point. First thing I wanna say, if someone gonna try it, someone gonna test it, don't try to withdraw your bets like very close to the multis. First of all, you might lose, and if something went wrong, like your internet or your PC or something gonna lag, you're gonna lose. And second thing, if security team gonna notice that every hand you're playing, you're going crazy, you're withdrawing like very close to the multi that the round ends, they just gonna ban your account. How much money was on the balance before? I already forgot. I think it doesn't matter. So let's just play a few minutes and see what's gonna happen. I think I should take $25 bets. Also, I lose a few good multis right here. I went in this round, this round, but I need some time to set up the record. $2.8. Almost 1000 already, and just 2 minutes spent. So we're doing good. We're doing good right now. And also, if you have any questions about the bot, about the predictor, you can ask in the comments. So if you have, just ask. I will respond as fast as I can. To be honest, there is not a single reason to bet on this low multi. It's just how to say it, spend of your account trust factor. I don't know how to say it, because more you win, more suspicious that looking. And how much money we have? We have almost 1.1 grand, and I think if we're gonna hit 1.2, it's gonna be more than enough for today, for tonight. To be honest, it's almost 4 AM. So let's just place 2, 3, maybe 4 bets, depends on the multis that we're gonna see. And we're gonna end. Just one more bet if multi gonna be more than 3, but it's not, so let's just lose 1 USD right here to not be obvious. I don't know if is this helping or not, but maybe it is, maybe it's not. Who cares if you're just gonna create a new account? But it's sometimes it's sad when you have money on the balance and they just binding you. I'm gonna withdraw it on 83. Here we go, 1.2. So thanks for the watching. We spent 4.5 minutes just to like 7 or 800 USD for this time. So thanks for the watching. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments or inside my Telegram channel. You're gonna find my contact. So good luck and have fun.